So I want to get the opinion, legal opinion of DBM, kung pwedeng magamit yung calamity fund under the NDRRM law or under the GAA. No? Because like I said, tinaasan natin siya no? In fact, mas malaki siya kumpara sa contingent fund. No? So that means kung humaba pa itong disaster ngayon at kailangan magbigay ng fuel subsidies to public utility vehicle drivers, to farmers, to fisher folks, pwede nang ma-access doon because it's, in my opinion, pag tumuloy-tuloy siya ng $100 for the next few months, parang nasa calamity na tayo no?
Dino-double check ko lang, sir. Sabi ko baka ma-preempt ko yung decision making. But legally, the answer is yes. Because nandoon po yung aid, nandoon po yung relief. Currently, sir, of course, hindi siya international crisis. Even mga financial aids po, na-charge din dyan yung sa mga disasters natin pag nagkukulang. So, sa relief po yun or sa aid. So, with more reason if we need it.
Well, I mean, with what's going on right now, I mean, it's thousands of miles away from us, pero affected po tayo because we're anticipating fuel crisis. So, maapektuhan ho tayo and then maapektuhan yan, vulnerable po yung mga drivers natin, fisher folks, everybody actually. So, can't you consider that as an international crisis na affected po tayo?
Yes, Mr. Chair, most definitely. Yung illustration ko lang po earlier is that kung sa local po nakakapagbigay din naman tayo ng aid, then with the international crisis, pareho rin po na pwede po nating magamit. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Kasi parang, again, if you ask me, parang nasa international crisis na nga tayo. No? Because this is a different, among the many conflicts that we've seen. The difference with this, there's a supply issue because of that tension in the Strait of Hormuz. No, so and I was watching the news last night. Until now, they cannot ship out oil from that area. So, of course, we don't want to wait for the crisis to happen. What we want is to prepare for that crisis. No, so one of the ways that we are preparing is to look for funds that the president can have access to, so that he can use those funds to help our drivers, help our fisher folks immediately. Yun naman, hindi naman natin sinasabi na gagamitin kaagad. It's just potential access to existing funds. No?
What you mean, Mr. Chair, standby funds.
Yes.
If we need it.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Even prior to this, we have been required, Mr. Chair, to identify some possible sources. So for aids or for whatever would be necessary in addressing the current issue po on the war. So nakakita na po kami sa mga iba't ibang agencies based on their TAP, which would also include yung ating lump sum, the NDRRM fund. Like for the DFA, meron po yung assistance to nationals and legal assistance fund. For DMW, may action fund sila. The balances of that. They have emergency repatriation program and alagang OWA. For DND, provision for fuel, oil, and lubricants. DSWD, protective services for individuals and families in difficult circumstances. We also included yung contingent fund as well as the NDRRM fund. For the DTI, ito naman po yung pagbalik na yung mga negosyo, pang-negosyo, etc.